Understanding the phrase, gather as one, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, gather as one. This expression is rich in meaning and often used in various contexts. Let's dive in and understand it together. In this section, we'll look at the phrase, gather as one, word by word. Gather means to come together or assemble, and, as one, implies unity or acting together as a single entity. So, this phrase suggests a group of people coming together, united in purpose or action. Now, let's explore different scenarios where gather as one might be used. This phrase is common in social, religious, and professional contexts. For instance, it can be used during a community event where everyone is invited to come together, or in a team setting where collaboration is emphasized. Let's see some examples. 1. The community will gather as one to celebrate the festival. 2. In times of crisis, we must gather as one to overcome challenges. 3. The team gathered as one to complete the project ahead of the deadline. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different sentences. It's easy to confuse gather as one with simply gathering or meeting. The key difference is the element of unity and shared purpose in gather as one. It's not just about being in the same place, but also sharing the same goal or spirit. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, gather as one, better. It's a beautiful expression of unity and collective effort. Remember, language is not just about words, but the ideas and feelings they convey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.